Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to earn from GRASS AIRDROP. Now, I'm going to give you a very brief introduction about GRASS. GRASS is a network sharing application that allows users to sell their unused bandwidth, where existing networks are operated by exploitative middlemen who extract value from the parties exchanging resources. GRASS is an equitable solution in which both sides have an active stake in the network. So GRASS has raised a total of $4.5 million from investors like Polychain Capital and Tribe Capital, and has confirmed to launch a governance token in the future. They've introduced a point system in which those who sign up, install the extension and run GRASS will earn points. Also get 20% of the referred friends points, 10% from secondary referees points, and 5% from refuse points. Now that is a brief introduction about it. I also want you to remember that you earn in GRASS as long as you're connected every day to the internet. So let's get started. I'll be using my Chrome browser. So we're going to be signing up to GRASS. We're making use of a link. You see your sign up, you click on it. You need your email, you need your username, you need password. Remember, you're signing up. You have to create all these details. But then I already have an account, so I will just log in for you to see what the dashboard looks like. So I just logged in into my dashboard, and this is what it looks like. I've started earning. If you can see today's earning, I've gotten about 24.08. Now, I also want you to know that you need to have your GRASS extension. This is a GRASS extension that keeps you connected. This is my name and I am connected. And from this GRASS extension, you can refer a friend and open dashboard. So that is it. Creating your GRASS airdrop and being a part of it is very, very easy. Remember, what you just have to do is click on the link to sign up. After signing up, you get a GRASS extension and your account is connected. So thank you for watching our video today on how to create a GRASS dashboard and how to be a part of GRASS airdrop. See you some other time.